So today we'll be making an easy Christmas card and some easy gift tags, so let's get to crafting. So for this design in Cricut, I just really quick made a rectangle that was 6 by 8, added a free present image, then made a smaller rectangle and added score lines to each. Then I added these little images for the gift tags and then sliced out a circle from the top of each one, and then it was time to cut it out, and this is a really simple, easy way to make a card and gift tag set. So once you have your pieces for your card cut and your gift tags cut, it's time to put your card together. So start by folding on the score lines on both the insert and the outside. So to start, you're just going to want to glue your present cutout to the front of your card. And once you have your present on the front of your card, glue your insert into your card, gluing the back in but leaving the front unglued. And I am using the AdTech Fine Line Liquid Glue for this. And make sure to line up the creases. And then let it dry. And then these gift tags are super simple. All you need is some string, twine, or ribbon to tie it onto presents. And I love how these turned out. Thank you guys for joining today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Happy holidays!